My ex has moved on. How can I get them back? Hello, guys, and welcome to Love Advice TV. My name is Alex Comment. I'm your relationship expert. And maybe you will think that I'm crazy, but you have a lot of chances to get your ex back. Or I would really prefer a situation where you tell me, Alex, my ex has moved on. What can I do? And not the other part, which is Alex. My ex is still talking to me. My ex is jealous, but he or she is not coming back because they are uncertain. They are playing with emotions, which is not the case for your ex. And I have a lot of tools that will make your ex wants to come back with you, even if they moved on. So please watch this video, make sure that you smash the like button. If you want to receive all of our videos directly in your inbox, you have to just subscribe. Just subscribe, and you can use the comments if you have any question on this video. So when you tell me your ex has moved on, we need to ask from where? From the past relationship, from the past arguments, from the past situation. But that's it. That doesn't mean that we cannot open a new page. That doesn't mean that we cannot recreate attraction. The problem is that nobody are going through this direction. We are so focusing on, I love my ex, I want to be with my ex, I want to get back with my ex, that we forget about that there is other solution. So tip number one, if you tell me that your ex has moved on, you need to do the same. You need to tell yourself what we have experienced was great, but we can have something even better. So we look at the past like a book and we decide to open a new page. We decide to create something different where attraction will be your best friend, where seduction will become also your best friend. Because we want to rebuild some love, we want to recreate some chemistry, the butterflies in the stomach. We want to be in this direction. So tip number one, let's move on. Let's tell ourselves that the past was great, but the future will be even amazing, even better. Tip number two, if you tell me that my ex has moved on, they will not look at your behavior. They will not try to analyze every word, every attitude, everything that you say, which is great for us because we don't want to be in this mindset where we are overseeing the details and we lose ourselves. We cannot enjoy the moment. We cannot let go with the emotions. So if your ex has moved on, let's create some fun. Let's have like a best discussion where you can be truly yourself. You can get rid of all the false beliefs, all the ideas that I need to be perfect, I need to do this, I need to do that. No. The only one thing you need to do is to enjoy the communication and enjoy the moment. And this is you guys. So we need to focus on that. That is for sure. Okay? Tip number three, when you tell me, Alex, my ex is very stubborn and he or she has moved on. The thing is, they will always come back when they can have goals with you and dreams with you. And this is what I call the projection. I've talked about it in a previous video, but I want to go deeper in this one. When the ex has moved on, as I said, they moved on about the past, right? So if you can show to them that you have new targets and new goals. Let's say that you want to travel to Costa Rica and go surfing there. Talking about this and saying like, oh my God, you know what? I made a decision that I would have never made before. I'm going to Costa Rica. What is going on here? We are creating a separation between the past and the future. If you can tell your ex, I would love to surf, I want to take the big waves, I want to feel like I'm also without stress, your ex will realize that it's not just a new page. It's new projects, new attractions, new goals, new energy. That is really great for us. That is where we can get the results we want. So it's not that your situation is easier, but it's clear. It's clear that the past and the love will not make your ex come back. Even if you loved each other, even if you have kids together, it's not about that anymore. It's about making the attraction again, so the smile, making sure that you have goals and projections so you can look at your future and your ex will tell themselves, ooh, this is what I want. I want to be with that person and do this, yes. And the last thing that is very important, it's just that sometimes we focus so much on how we feel. I love him, I love her, I want to do this, I want to do that. But we don't realize that this is not what they want. When your ex has moved on, you can do whatever you want. Talking about the feelings, it will just not give you the results you want. So, your ex could be stubborn. Your ex maybe has moved on. Let's open a new page. Let's recreate an amazing communication. And the one thing that I see with all the clients that I've coached that were able to get their ex back, they are a little bit silly. They forget it's their ex. They just talk to that person and they are 100% themselves. This requires a lot of confidence, of course. This requires also to believe in yourself, of course. This will require to make yourself get rid of the fears, yes. But it is possible. You can do that. When you can be a little bit silly and talk to your ex like it's your best friend, maybe it's just someone that you're dating, you need to find a way to be with your ex like you're with your best friend, okay? And having goals, talking about the future, let's just try to organize your ideas, leave them in the comments just right below. If you want to go further, because sometimes when I talk about emotional communication, I know it could be unclear, maybe you want more details. So I created a special gift. This is for the community. You will have to enter your email, but you will have access to free videos that will change your love life, especially if you want to get back with the one you love. How can you grab this gift? It is in the description box right below. Click on the link, get it. And yeah, you will see that even if your ex has moved on, you'll come back on this channel and you will tell me, Alex, you were right. It was not possible to save my relationship because it's over, but it was possible to reattract that person. It was possible to create a new relationship. And we are so happy together right now. How can you do that? Smash the like button, subscribe to get all the videos directly in your inbox. And if you need help, I know I have a strong French accent, but when it comes to getting back with an ex, there is no one in the world that I've coached more than me. I spend my life on the phone with you, finding techniques and strategy. So come on with myexagain.com/coaching. Book with me and you will see the results. You will see that you will be able to get your ex back. If you are able to do the job, because if you don't follow the advice, if you let the emotions win, that's why you don't get the results. Okay, guys, I will see you very soon. Please take good care of yourself.